The marketing calendar can be accessed by clicking the calendar link on the left navigation. It's a great way to get an overview of all of the things that have been sent, things that are planning to be sent, and also campaign milestones that are going to happen and have happened. For example, if you're running a photo contest, there's going to be a time to post, time to name a winner, and other milestones, and those milestones will be mapped out automatically on your marketing calendar. There's several different views. You can look at things in a week view, which is by default. There's a monthly view. There's a daily view. And finally, you can get just a list. Now, when you're working in the marketing calendar, understand that you can scroll through different time periods, both forward and backward. You can view a list of all the categories, which also serves as a key. So for example, notice how this post has pink on the left side and the time is in pink. What that means is that we can quickly see this is an engagement category post. So not only is it color coded, but it gives you other indications within each of the calendar items. For example, do you see this little arrow here? This indicates that this is a repost post. So this could go out multiple times in the future, or this could be something that was just sent that was part of a repost. You'll also see things like this exclamation point. If you hover over it, it will tell you what that notice is. In this case, it's warning me that this message is in draft mode. In draft mode, that post will never go out, even though it has a tentative date that's already been set in the post. Well, we didn't add it to the queue and we didn't schedule it, so it's saved as draft and just waiting for us to make a decision on when we actually want to send it. The same would be true if we have a post that is held for approval. That will be indicated by one of these exclamation point icons. While you're in here, there's other things you could do, like filter the view based on these different areas, and you can also apply tactical overlays, which we'll cover in a different video. But what these will do is actually show you at a glance which of your sent posts did the best, performed the best. There's many things you could do, like click on one of these sent posts and view different reporting elements like KPIs like shares and clicks. You can open these as a copy. If you like the way it performed, by clicking this, it will actually generate a new post. You can even view the verification report to see information about how this post did, and even click through to see the live post.